Good morning. We are heading to Luxembourg Gardens right now. Just woke up, got ready, and started walking. We're thinking we're gonna go over to the Eiffel Tower today and Luxembourg Gardens and find a place to get a croissant. So that's our plan for right now. Luxembourg Gardens. How is this just like a public garden in the middle of the street? That's insane.
Yeah.
I want something like this.
Seattle?
Yeah. Now we are walking up to the Statue of Liberty copy that they have here in the Luxembourg Gardens.
Oh no, the Carolyn is sad.
So we just stopped at the boulangerie and ordered
Oh my god.
blue croissant.
You're almost dropping it.
Oops. Yep. And Axe got
Ham and cheese.
ham and cheese croissant.
Habon.
Oh. And then we walked over here and found this. Is that a church? I'm going to assume it's a church. And we're gonna sit in front of it and eat our croissants. Just finished with breakfast and it was really, really good. I realized I did not take any video of what the croissant actually looked like, but it was really good. We just stopped and got some water, and now we're by this fountain, and we're walking over to Notre Dame. Walking a bit closer to now see, we're gonna try to go see if we can see inside a little bit. Axe, you're gonna hate this, but I think it's funny. They didn't Mickey's. Now we're near the backside of Notre Dame and the Seine. Now we're walking over to the subway station to get the metro station. Sorry. To get the metro to the Eiffel Tower.
Get on the train. Subway. Metro.
Getting on the RER to the Eiffel Tower. Took us like half an hour to figure out how and which one we needed to get on.
It did not take a half an hour. It's like 5 minutes.
Took a while. So we'll see if we get there. We did it. We did it. We figured it out. And we took it over here, and now look at where we are. It's right there. So we're gonna go walk closer and go to the Champs-Élysées, the park that's right in front of it, and take pictures. That's all we're gonna do.
That's it.
Just take pictures. Kinda starting to look like it's gonna rain on us, which is not good because none of us brought anything.
For myself.
Well, do you have it with you?
Nope.
We're hoping it doesn't start raining until we're done taking pictures, so we don't look like drowned rats.
That's actually what I prefer. I'd like to go for the Ratatouille look.
So we just legit took how many pictures? 200 pictures of ourselves?
I should have done a lens blurred one.
Oh shoot.
Man.
And still
So
go back.
it really focuses in on me.
We're coming back too
I guess that's true.
at night. So now we are walking that way so that we can see it from far away. What are we doing now?
Sandwiches.
We're going to find baguette sandwiches and then, yeah, that. Yeah, I think it is. Or et. Et is and. But I don't know in this case what it would be. So we just stopped at a cafe and got some baguette sandwiches. I got a buffalo mozzarella tomato and they both got ham and Gruyere. And then we got some waters and we successfully actually ordered.
Kind of.
Sort of. She like ended up knowing English. So we just said thank you or like what we needed in English, and then we made sure to at least say please and thank you in French. So hopefully she didn't hate us. We're trying. But now we're gonna walk to, I think, the waterfront or the Seine to eat our sandwiches, and I need to charge my phone so I can keep filming. We found a spot for lunch here on the Seine. What? We're gonna eat our sandwiches. Just finished our lunch and now we are walking to the Arc de Triomphe. It is about a mile away and pretty much all the roads lead there, which is kind of cool. Oh my gosh. So all these planes are flying by and we don't really understand why. They are big 747s with fighter jets like flying underneath them or directly behind them, and we want to know who it is or what it is. On the Champs-Élysées to see the Arc de Triomphe, and it's right up there. According to the news, this street last night was insane. We were just in the 6th arrondissement by the Sorbonne, which is where we're staying, and we went down to the area that everyone was celebrating, and it was wacko, absolutely wacko. My anxiety and sensitivity to noise was on high alert and it was awful. I just tried to run away as fast as possible. So I can't even imagine what it would be like here where the entire street was full of people. I wouldn't make it.
We made it.
Just went and saw the Arc de Triomphe. We are walking back to the Eiffel Tower to get the same train that we got here, because we think if we try to get one over here, it'll take us 2 to get back to our place over in the 6th arrondissement, and that's too scary. It was hard enough to figure out one of the trains that we needed to be on, so now we're thinking let's just go make it easy on ourselves and walk back to the one that we know where the station is, we know in which direction it needs to go, all that. So that's what we're doing. That subway station design was put in the 20s. There's a couple of them across the city that still remain in the Art Nouveau style, which is pretty cool to see.